Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into the StartX Remote Start Kit tailored for Civic models from 2006 to 2011. Let me tell you, this little gadget is a game changer for those frosty mornings and scorching afternoons. Picture this: no more shivering while waiting for your car to warm up, and no more sweating buckets when you hop in under the blazing Sunday. What sets this kit apart? Well, for starters, it's a breeze to install thanks to the StartX T-harness. No need to fiddle with wires or break out the wire cutters. It plugs right into your factory connectors. Plus, it's proudly designed and engineered right here in North America, so you know you're getting quality craftsmanship. Now, let's talk compatibility. This kit is tailor-made for 2006 to 2011 Civics, covering a wide range of models. Just remember, it's not compatible with hybrids, so keep that in mind. Point one of the standout features is the 3x lock system. Forget about carrying extra remotes. Simply press the lock button on your existing factory remote 3 times, and voila! Your car starts up from the same distance. You can lock and unlock it. How convenient is that? With tens of thousands of satisfied customers under its belt, StartX has certainly earned its stripes as a top plug-and-play remote start company in North America. And with technical support agents based right here in the USA, you can rest easy knowing help is just a call away. So, in a nutshell, if you're tired of enduring freezing temperatures or sweltering heat every time you hop in your Civic, the StartX Remote Start Kit is your answer. Say goodbye to uncomfortable commutes and hello to a more comfortable driving experience. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.